Ready to learn some straightforward and easy ways to make money online in 2024? In this video, we'll share a variety of methods that can help you earn extra cash or even start a new career. From working as a virtual assistant to selling your skills on Fiverr, posting on Elon Musk's platform X, and even earning rewards from investing apps. These opportunities are available to anyone. Let's get started and discover how you can begin making money online today. First up, have you ever thought you could get paid to watch Netflix? As a tagger for Netflix, that's exactly what you'll do. Netflix needs people to watch movies and shows and categorize them. It's a real job and a great fit for movie enthusiasts who have a wide taste in genres. Here's how it works. When you become a tagger, your job is to watch new movies and shows on Netflix and accurately categorize them. This involves paying attention to every detail, from the storyline and setting to the characters and their interactions. As you watch, take notes on key elements, such as the main themes, plot twists, and any other notable aspect. Once you've finished watching the content, you'll assign tags based on genre, subgenre, and maturity level. For example, if you watch Avengers: Endgame, a superhero blockbuster, you would tag it as action and adventure for the genre. For subgenres, you might add drama and sci-fi due to the epic plot and futuristic elements. The maturity level could be PG-13 because of intense action sequences and mature themes. The categorization process involves making judgment calls about how best to classify the content you've watched. You'll need to use your critical thinking skills to determine the most accurate genre and subgenre tags. Additionally, you need to decide on the appropriate maturity level for each piece of content, ensuring that it aligns with Netflix's standard. To apply for this role, visit the official Netflix Careers website and look for opportunities related to content tagging. The application process typically includes taking a test where you tag several shows and movies with the correct genres and ratings. This test is designed to assess your understanding of different types of content and your ability to categorize them accurately. The job offers a competitive salary of $70,000 to $80,000 per year, making it an excellent opportunity for movie enthusiasts with diverse tastes. So, if you're passionate about movies and shows and have a diverse taste in genres, consider becoming a Netflix tagger for a great online income source. Why choose to become a Netflix tagger? One reason is the flexible schedule. You can watch content on your own time, allowing you to fit the job around other commitments. The next exciting way to earn money online is by harnessing the power of AI to become a virtual musician. It might sound surprising, but there's a website called Mubert that lets you create custom songs and instrumentals based on your instructions. Just imagine typing in a prompt like epic and cinematic hero movie background music, choosing the length of the track, and Mubert's AI goes to work creating a unique, copyright-free song. Now, how do you turn this into cash? By offering these AI-generated tunes to creators like YouTubers who need copyright-free music for their videos, or to businesses looking for original tunes for their ads. When clients tell you the kind of song they want, you use Mubert AI to bring their musical vision to life. Once you've made the music, you simply send the Mubert-produced track to your client via email. If you build a strong relationship with even one consistent client, you can earn a few $100s each month. All you have to do is provide them with music tailored to their needs. To find clients, set up a profile on freelance platforms like Fiverr and spread the word on social media. Advertise your services as a provider of custom, copyright-free music for all types of projects. The key is to try out different approaches and see which ones work best for you. Give it a go. You never know what kind of opportunities you'll discover. As you might guess, I'll leave the link in a description so you can try it for free after watching this video. Next up is AI website building. Thanks to a platform called 10Web, you can create stunning, high-quality websites in just a few minutes. Here's how it works. First, sign up for an account and answer a series of questions about the type of site you want to create. From there, 10Web's AI gets to work, constructing a polished, professional website in no time. Rather than using these AI-built websites for your own projects, consider offering your services to clients who need a website. This could include small businesses, entrepreneurs, or content creators who need an online presence, but may not have the time or expertise to build a site themselves. By using 10Web's AI, you can quickly create custom websites tailored to your clients' needs. To turn this into a money-making venture, start by setting up a profile on freelance platforms like Fiverr. Begin by offering your services at a competitive, lower-than-average rate to attract your first clients. Once you've established a reputation for delivering quality websites and providing excellent customer service, you can gradually increase your prices. In this industry, website design is big business, and companies often pay top dollar for their online presence. You can charge over $100 per site you create, especially as you gain experience and positive reviews. To maximize your earning potential, build relationships with clients, and offer ongoing support or additional services. By consistently delivering top-tier websites and satisfying your clients, you'll not only secure repeat business, but also benefit from word-of-mouth referrals. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you handle simple tasks like responding to emails, scheduling appointments, and organizing various projects. You're essentially taking on tasks that busy business owners don't want to handle themselves. The great thing about being a VA is the earning potential. In the United States, most virtual assistants earn at least $15 per hour, which is often double the minimum wage in some states. If you work with a high-profile entrepreneur or successful business person, you could even earn more, with possible bonuses in addition to your hourly wage. If you're comfortable with basic online tools and enjoy helping others, this could be a great gig for you. Plus, you can work from home or any location you choose, giving you the freedom to manage your own schedule. To get started, search for VA job opportunities on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized VA job boards. Create a profile that showcases your organizational skills, time management, and experience with internet tools. Reach out to potential clients with a friendly message that highlights how you can help their business run smoothly and efficiently. Once you land a client, focus on providing top-notch service to build a strong reputation. Over time, you can attract more clients through positive word of mouth. Being a virtual assistant is an excellent way to earn extra cash, possibly more than your regular job, while maintaining a flexible work-life balance. Why not give it a shot? It could be the perfect opportunity for you. Let's dive into the next creative way to make money online, selling your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a bustling freelancing platform where you can transform your expertise into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-fledged career. Whether you're a guitar prodigy, a skilled TikTok editor, a talented singer, or a history whiz, you can offer lessons, tutorials, or services tailored to your talents and earn a tidy sum. The beauty of Fiverr is that you can monetize any skill you possess. You don't have to limit yourself to just the platform either. You can start in your local community by offering services like sports coaching or tutoring. Once you establish a client base, you can expand your business by outsourcing work and creating your own website to streamline your services. Next up is the opportunity to get paid for sharing your content on Elon Musk's platform X. The platform rewards content creators by paying them up to 97% of the revenue their content generates, an incredible offer compared to other platforms. To qualify, you need 5 million followers, to be over 18 years old, and to have a paid Twitter Blue account. If you believe you have what it takes to create viral content on X, this is a chance you don't want to miss. The investment is minimal, just $8 a month for the subscription, and the potential for high earnings is significant. Another excellent side hustle to consider is selling print-on-demand clothing. Find or create designs related to popular trends like holiday seasons, famous actors, sports, or other cultural moments. Then, upload your designs to Teespring and select the products you want to sell: t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Teespring handles the sales page creation, production, and shipping, while you sit back and earn a percentage of the profit. This is an amazing way to start a clothing brand without the risks and upfront costs of buying inventory. So, if you've got an eye for design and a knack for business, print on demand could be your next big moneymaker. That's a wrap on our guide to the easiest ways to make money online in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Now we want to hear from you. Which job or side hustle are you most interested in trying? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder.